The Welcome Cookies by Kaye, Baillie and Kirrili, Lonergan. It was Friday, and Fridays were Sugar Plum Café days. Mabel loved the tinkety-tinkle of the doorbell, the swishy icing on her rainbow ripple cake, adding a drawing to the smarty arty wall, and best of all, she loved Mrs. Plum's smile. While on holiday, Mabel missed 4 whole visits to the cafe, so she painted a surprise picture for Mrs. Plum. She added blobs and dots, curls and curves. When the paint dried, she tied it with the big, bright bow. Mabel skipped all the way to the Sugar Plum Cafe, but she didn't see smiles, cakes and cocoa. She saw people standing, scritcheting, scratch, painting, foom, foom. Just like the shreds of the cafe's name, Mabel felt like she was falling. Skreek, skreek. On Fridays, Mabel and her mother took the bus. When they passed the old Sugar Plum Cafe, Mabel tried to look the other way. One Friday, Mabel said, "I don't feel like catching the bus today." "Good news," said her mother. "The cafe around the corner has reopened." "Mama, it's not the Sugar Plum Cafe anymore." "I know, but we could try it." Mabel shrugged. "If you want to." Scuffing her shoes all the way, Mabel turned the corner. She squeezed Spotty harder. The door had lost its tinkety-tinkle. Where was the bell? Mabel smelt oranges, honey and rose petals. The smarty arty wall was gone, and when Mabel looked all around for a smile, she couldn't find one. "Everything is different," she whispered to her mother. "Can we go?" As Mabel wove her way through the customers, she suddenly stopped. "Look!" "Oh," cried a man. "My painting," said Mabel. "How did you get it?" "When I found your painting, I thought it was for me." "It wasn't. I did it for Miss Plum. Miss Plum has retired. I'm Lionel, the new owner. Your painting made me very welcome." Mabel looked at her painting, then at Lionel. "I guess you can keep it," she mumbled. "I'm Mabel." "Thank you. Would you like a table, Mabel?" She giggled. "That rhymes." And Lionel smiled a great big smile. She never tried an almond crescent before. Mabel licked her lips. Her mother ordered the sticky citrus cake. Delicious. Then Lionel appeared with cookies and icing tubes. "Are you going to decorate them?" Mabel asked. "Yes," said Lionel. "I want to make something special. Something welcoming." Mabel's face lit up. "I know. I could help you make welcome cookies." Squeezing the tubes, Mabel made blops and dots, curls and curves. She helped Lionel display the cookies in the cafe window and waved at the children who stopped. Could they decorate the welcome cookies too? "What a great idea," said Lionel. It was Friday, and Fridays were Lionel's days. Mabel loved how the powdery sugar coated her lips, decorating a fresh batch of welcome cookies, seeing Lionel's big smile, and she loved surprises. And that's the end of the story. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe.